morning. It's 6:03 in the touchless wash because I'm lazy and broke to get a detail. So we're in the touchless milk roller wash. On our way, my bad, to Redlands for the Lighthouse for the Blind chili cook-off car show. Then we might even head over to Route 66 today. We'll see. And if I do, that'll be a whole nother video. Alright guys, let's get to it. Guys, we made it. It is 6:30 essentially. We made it. They still haven't let any cars in. I mean, there's cars all the way down the street. So I guess now we wait. Oh, this is perfect. That's nice. Might as well do something while I wait. Like that pinstripe. That's clean. Oh, Trans Am. What? Ooh, 455. Big blockers in. A lot of nice cars here. I like the mat. The Grand Sport, yeah. Not even a Z06. How's it going? I mean, it's better than waiting.
Remember the hill they had in the front? Yeah. He got run off the front.
Ooh. I like the super wing. No, it's perfect right now. I don't have the glare in the camera. Oh, what a Morris.
How you doing?
Farm truck, hell yeah. Oh, the patina is sick. That's always a cool look. Man, guys. And I'm pretty sure more cars are going to show up. I don't believe... This is just the early birds, you know. They haven't even let the cars actually in the show yet. So we're still early. A little SSR action. My dad brought home one of those one time in the early 2000s. Falcon. Ooh. I'd sell mine for that, but I don't think I'd have enough. Yeah, we're still, whew. Man, guys. Once the show is actually started at about 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, there should be way more cars here. Oh, the aluminum. At least I'm killing time, you know? Have nothing better to do. Oh, dude. You can't tell. Oh, no, you can tell. It's a really dark cherry.
In front of me.
Oh, I love this one, guys.
Yeah.
You have no idea. We'll get another video of this later. This one's freaking awesome. I love that one. I'm pretty sure I did a short of this van. Maybe I'll try to link it somewhere, but I've definitely recorded this van at one of my mall shows, indoor shows. Oh, dude, this Bel Air is money. Oh, wow, the blues. Morning. Oh, you're okay. Don't worry about it. Woo! There's so many Corvettes here, and mine's the least expensive. Guys, we'll look at more cars once we're actually in the show. We made it in, guys. We're in. People are still coming in. It's gonna be a great show. Oh, there's Mike. Hell yeah, guys, look at all this. Look at this turnout. Alright, we're back, guys. It is currently, this is my fault. It's 7:15 in the show. Cars are still pulling up. Struggling parking the Monty. It's
because of the angle. But look at all these cars, man. They just keep going and going and going. So this is gonna be sick. Anyways, let's go start looking at them.